Hello again. In this second activity of topic 1, we're going to explore a model for selecting and choosing digital media. The sections model by Dr. Tony Bates is one that I actually use with my graduate students as well, that are instructional designers and students that are working on their master's in education. Many of them find this model quite useful. And for teachers, the same kind of thing. When we've talked about the different types of digital media, well, how do you pick? I'm not talking about the tools. We'll get to that at the last activity in this first topic. But what about the kinds of digital media? Should it be an interactive piece of media? Should it be a self-guided quiz? Should it be a video clip? Should it be, well, what? So the sections model is a good way for us to have some way to assess and evaluate a piece of media for us in whatever pedagogical situation you're in, what kind of learning situation you're in. So, students, ease of use, cost. All media has a cost. It might be just time, right? Teaching, does it fit the elements that I want? Perhaps it's a video clip or an animation that allows you to zoom all the way in, or a learner to zoom all the way in and see the elements of a cell. I've used those somewhere along the line. What kind of interaction does the media have? Is it for transmission of ideas, like I'm doing here in a video clip, or is it more where you're wanting somebody to assess and guide some thought? Interaction. Organizational issues. Is it difficult to post to get to your students? Networking. Does it have ability for students to network or other network type issues? That has to do with, again, our access to the internet. Is it something we can put in our LMS? Networking. Security and privacy. Huge all the time when we're talking about digital. Part of the reason of that is digitization is everywhere. And there's many instances already of institutions, schools, colleges, universities that have been hacked and information from students taken. That's something that certainly needs to be considered every time you're looking at a piece of media. Perhaps it's going to be something that makes you choose a different one. Anyway, you'll have an opportunity to explore this in the book from Dr. Tony Bates, where he describes the sections model in detail. That's the first part of this second activity. With that, see you online.